Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite chocolate girl, Beatbymoe, and I'm back with another slay for who you today. So if you want to know how I got this beautiful sunset look, keep watching and you will see. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I'm going in with my Tarte Face Tape Foundation, and this is in the shade Mahogany. I'm just going to place that all over my face. I'm only using about 3 drops. I'm going to place that all over my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. Okay, so new palette alert. I'm going into the Hot for Hues by Morphe's, and I'm gonna go into electricity, and I'm going to pack that all into the back of my eye. Now guys, the names are on the back of this palette, so if I get this wrong, I apologize. Just know I tried for you guys, okay? I tried. Okay, so now we're going in with Hottie Alert, and we're gonna pack that all into electricity, and we're just gonna make sure that they're blended together. So you're gonna see me go back into electricity and blend that back in, and we're gonna go back into Hottie Alert, just making sure that everything is blended, because guys, you already know what we want that blend. So that's what we're going for. We're going for a nice seamless blend. So now I'm gonna go into the shade yellow there, and I'm just gonna pack that into electricity, and I'm gonna leave a little bit of that corner open, and you will see why in just a second, but we're just gonna pack that all in. Okay, so I'm going in with the Beauty Bakery Instabake 3-in-1 concealer, and this is in the shade Pretzelvania, and I'm just gonna clean up my liner and clean up under my eyes, and this is one shade up from my actual skin tone. So you already know, guys, I'm going in and I'm gonna conceal up under my eyes with this. So I'm taking my e.l.f. Camo Concealer Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to blend all of that out up under my eye. And I'm going to go in and clean up my shadow and liner as well, as you can tell. Okay, so now I'm going in with the shade Congo, and this is the foundation stick from Juvias place, and I'm just gonna place that everywhere where I want to contour, and I'm gonna go in with my Morphe brush. I don't remember the number, but I know it's a Morphe brush, but I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Y'all, this brush was kind of falling apart because it was like little hairs getting on my face, and I was like, I ain't like that. But we're gonna go in, we're gonna blend that out. Okay, now we're going in with the e.l.f. Camo 16-hour concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Cinnamon. And y'all, I'm just gonna go in and snatch up this nose. Like, I'm gonna show y'all how I snatch up my nose. So I just go in with a little thin line of the e.l.f. camo concealer, and I take a little skinny brush and I just blend that out on my nose. And then I go back in with the brush that I blended out the contour with, and I'm just gonna go in and blend in the contour again. So it's all about blending and just getting everything right. So once I blend that out, I'm gonna go back in with the contouring brush and I'm gonna blend that as well. So of course we gotta finish snatching up this face. So I'm going back in with the e.l.f. camo concealer, and I'm just gonna place that everywhere where I want to brighten up my face. And I'm gonna let that sit for like a couple of seconds, because this is a mattifying concealer, so you do not want to let this sit too long or it will not move. So I'm gonna go back in with the e.l.f. camo concealer beauty blender, and I'm just gonna go in and blend everything out. Okay, so now I'm going in Revolution Glow Ultra Matte Bronzer, and this is in the shade Medium Dark, and I'm just gonna bronze everywhere that I contoured. Y'all pay me no attention, I was over there having a concert, okay? Okay, so I'm going in with my Maybelline Fitme loose powder, and this is in the shade 35 Deep, and I'm just gonna start setting my face. Y'all, I showed you on the back of my hand, but it was like really quick. I do not go in with a lot of powder. In fact, I take some of that powder and I tap it on the back of my hand and then press it in. The only time I go in with a little bit more powder than usual is when I'm sculpting out my contour on my jawline. I'm going into my Plan and Makeup by Yolando's, and this is the Mixed Race palette, and I'm just taking that dark brown that I showed you, and I'm just gonna go in and set the rest of my face with that. I'm gonna set my entire face with that color. So I'm just going to repeat the steps that I took on my eyeshadow, and I'm just going to put pink, orange, and yellow on the bottom lash line and blend that all in and, you know, give it a gradient effect. And then I'm going to line my eyes with some LA Girl eyeliner. Honey, who is that? Okay, so now we got our lashes on, and you know, we set our face. We're going into the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette, and we're just gonna add some blush and highlights to our cheeks. So guys, I thought I showed you the shades that I use, but I'm being stingy, I guess. But I used the shade Tayu and the shade Sola for my blush and highlight, and on the bridge of my nose I went in with Zaba, and I just highlighted my nose with that shade. See, I'm gonna learn my lesson by listening to y'all, because somebody was like, get an eyebrow pencil and line your lips. You can save money and do it that way too. I have the Nicka K Auto Brow, and this is in the shade Espresso, and I tried to line my lips with that, but that did not work out as planned, probably because my lips were drier than some Popeye's biscuits. But I just did not like how that came out, so I did go in with my crayon case lip pencil in the shade Bribery and just go over it. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna blend out that lip liner, because I'm going straight in with some gloss, and I wanted to blend out the lip so it don't look so harsh when I add my glosses. So now I'm going in with my crayon case, and this is the Hall Pass gloss. This is in the shade Private Party, y'all. This is my favorite. And I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to apply that, of course, and blend that in. Now I'm going in with Sparkling Rose. This is the lip plumping gloss from e.l.f. And I'm going to blend that into the middle and like the bottom of my lip. And then I'm going in with some regular lip gloss, and I'm going to apply that to a brush. And I'm just going to go in and apply some gloss on to my lips, and that will be it. That is the look, hunty. That is the look. There she goes. Na, 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 na. Y'all, that is a look, y'all. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Let me know how you feel about this look, y'all. It is giving me sunset vibes, hottie sunset vibes, y'all. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Do not forget to subscribe to your favorite chocolate girl. I just want to pop in and let you guys know. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button right there. Okay? All my product details will be listed in my description box, along with my link to my Instagram. So go ahead and follow me at Beatbymoe with 2 E's.